We're here at the beautiful new Dean's location in New Hartford, and we're open.
Yeah!
Dean's Stove and Spa 2 is now open in New Hartford. Over 3,500 square feet of hearths, spas, and outdoor living products. Just 35 minutes from Hartford and only 50 minutes from Springfield, Mass. Amazing products you have to see to believe, with the same great service you've come to expect from Dean's Stove and Spa. Now open in the Pine Meadow section of New Hartford, in the heart of the Farmington Valley. Dean's Stove and Spa 2, the House of Fire, 376 Main Street, Route 44, New Hartford.